things that this one he blow dried, so it made it like more like the shape. These are like fluffy. I like them fluffy, but he liked them better shaped. But watch. We're so dumb. Another workout, another steak, right, Dada?
Mm-hmm.
You're so lucky. So if I work out, you're gonna make me a steak?
Sure.
Crickets? This is for the Durf's Christmas party thing, and I came to see if a box fits. If it fits, it ships. Is it ghetto that it says Walmart?
Just cross it out.
I'm off. Not Walmart.
Yeah.
Right here.
Target.
Not. Target. Weird. Okay. So I'm gonna wrap this present for the Durf. Gift exchange present. In this huge box. It says small. It's not small. It's huge. This is the wrapping paper. Very fancy. Kumba likes it. I picked this to go with it. Some of that.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Take a look at the 5 and 10. It's glistening once again with candy canes and silver lanes that glow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Toys in every store, but the prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be on your own front door. A pair of hop-along boots and a pistol that shoots is the wish of Barney and Ben. Dolls that'll talk and we'll go for a walk is the hope of Janice and Jen. And Mom and Dad can hardly wait for school to start again. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. There's a tree in the Grand Hotel, one in the park as well. It's the sturdy kind that doesn't mind the snow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Soon the bells will start, and the thing that'll make them ring is the carol that you sing right within your heart.
Wow. We have new friends, guys. I'm boiling these for like a little sopita. I remade, it's a crusty bowl, but I remade that because we ate it last night. I'm about to make rice. I'm baking some more chicken. Rice. This. I don't have garlic powder, so I'm just gonna use onion powder because that's all I have. And a can of tomato sauce. And then a little bit of oil. I don't know how much rice this is. It's like a cup. So I put the oil, I put the rice. I would normally put garlic, but like I said, all I have is onion powder. Throw some of that. So I literally get this and I just literally put like half. You're frying the rice, so the red will turn orange. That's why like Mexican rice is orange. If you notice, like Americans who make Mexican rice is more red. I think it's because they just throw the tomato sauce in the water instead of cooking the tomato sauce. So it's orange. Or Spanish rice, like, you know, in the box, it's red because it's just the tomato uncooked. It's more orangey. Now, the longer you fry it, the longer it takes to cook for whatever reason. You gotta make it orange, maybe. Okay, that's good. And then you would just add 2 cups of water. So for every cup, you would add double. So then you would get the consomme. We get this. I usually just dump it into the lid and eyeball it, but I can't with one hand. So I would say like that much. And once you mix it up, you could just get it like this and bang the spoon on your hand and taste it. That's your salt. So it shouldn't be salty like the way I just did it right now. Nah, it's perfect. Let me see. Oh yeah, it's perfect. So you're gonna bring this to a boil. It's already almost there. And then you would just cover it, turn it all the way down. It takes about 20 minutes. Also, ooh, I should throw an onion in there, huh? Hold on. My mother-in-law does this, and it's like so lovely after. I'm just gonna cover it with this because I don't want to bend over to get a lid. I'll show you when it's finished. That's what I did by myself, but like it needed just like a little booty hair left, so I'm gonna get another box right there. And then the house keeps going, like you guys probably think that's like it, and then the bushes are off. I don't know what happened. This is a disaster. Like, what's the date? I promise it'll be done before Christmas.